Alrighty, today we're back with another TOZO video. I did the video on the PA1 and the PE1 portable speakers from TOZO. They were really happy with the video, so they've sent me out their HT2 active noise cancelling over-the-ear headphones, which are pretty interesting. I'm really curious to see the quality of these headphones because the PA1 and PA2 portable speakers were crazy for under $50. They blew me out of the water. It was ridiculous. So I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that this audio on these are great as well. I haven't unboxed them. Let's hop into that and let's check them out. Alrighty guys, we're going to hop into the unboxing of the HT2's adaptive hybrid active noise cancelling headphones from TOZO. Like I said to you, I unboxed their speakers. I unboxed their speakers not too long ago, and they were fantastic. So I'm really hoping these are the same. Pretty simple unboxing. The headphones, some cables, user manual, and a quick guide. What do we get in this little package here? Okay, so we get wow, I haven't seen a 3.5 millimeter cable in ages. So we get a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable. It's like an AUX cable, auxiliary cable there. I'm assuming to plug into the headphones, I'm assuming there's a slot, and a USB-C to USB-A cable as well, which I have 300 of these. Now, here are the headphones themselves wrapped up. Okay, they look very similar to like a Sony, the XM, I think it's the XM, I don't know what they're even called. I'd be butchering the name, I think. All right, here are the headphones, very lightweight. These are very squishy. I don't know if that's the thing. The ear cups feel very soft. It's like a memory foam. As you guys can see that on camera, I'm sure you can. It's literally, wow, okay. They feel all right on the head. They feel a bit weird at the bottom of my ear, like my jawbone, not even my ear, my jaw. But anyway, there's an on and off switch there, volume rockers, 3.5 millimeter, USB-C, a mic, the noise cancellation button, and then nothing on the other ear cup underneath. There is, I guess, spots for mics here. Above or below the TOZO logo. These ear cups don't come off, so they're not magnetic like the AirPods Max, just so you guys know. Let's connect them up. That is what I want to know. Let's connect these up. Alrighty, I was just listening to them for a little bit. Very good so far. Can't really say a bad thing yet. But I will do the final review. So I'm going to go check these out. I'm going to put it through its paces, and then I'll come back to you. One thing I got to remember, these are $64. They are not $400 headphones, so there's a huge price difference between these and maybe Sony's or Bose's or whatnot. So I've got to keep that in mind all the time. But for now, I'll come back to you guys with my final verdict of the TOZO HT2s. Here is my review of the TOZO HT2s. So far, I've been probably using for the past couple of months, and they've been pretty good. So they are $68 headphones. Over-the-ear headphones with noise cancellation, and you guys would have seen all the details in the unboxing. Everything works as it should to the level of a $68 pair of headphones. So as a comparison, I have a pair of AirPods Max, and they are obviously night and day difference. These are $68, these are $1,000 headphones. Like, you can't even compare them, but for $68, they do pretty well. Obviously not comparable to this, but just as a benchmark, the AirPods Max are here. Obviously, these are $68. But yeah, I'm actually very surprised. So the ear cups are pretty comfortable, not too bad. As you guys can see, this memory foam ear cups, or it looks like it anyway. Over the ear, it does feel not bad. Again, it's a bit not really tight, but not the most comfortable headphones in the world. Again, you're paying $68. You can't expect the best of the best. But everything works as advertised. The noise cancellation, again, it does work. It is not the very best, but it does work. You do get some level of noise cancellation, which is fantastic. You got a headphone port on here, which $1,000 AirPods Max don't even have, which, see, $68, positive for that. USB-C charging, you got the on and off button, you have the volume control button, you have noise cancellation button, you have transparency mode. For $68, I think it's relatively pretty good. They are, not bad. I think they are, even talking right now, I sound very muffled. So they do just block out noise without even being on. They do sound pretty good in terms of the noise cancellation. The volume, like the sound quality, again, $68, I think it's pretty good. I think you're not really going to find anything like too far past this for $68, or like it's relatively very within its price point. I think they've done a pretty good job of pricing this to the headphones that they have produced. You can obviously connect this to the TOZO app and get a few more features like I've shown off in my other videos with the TOZO headphones and speakers. These can do the exact same thing, so you can change EQ modes and whatnot. But if you don't even have to do that, these just connect to your phone, Bluetooth 5.3, which is fantastic. Like I said to you, rechargeable USB-C battery obviously built in, which is great. I've been using these, again, like 2 months, and I've charged it once in 2 months, and I've pretty much used it every single day. So I can't really complain. I think they've been pretty good. If you're in the market for these, they are $68 right now on sale, and they also do come in a bunch of colors. So they come in a khaki color, purple, pink, white, dark red, red, and blue, and obviously this black color as well. Again, if you're commuting to work on the train, or you want to travel, you don't want to break the bank and you want to keep within a budget, these are fantastic and they will get the job done without a shadow of a doubt. So TOZO, thank you for sending these over for me to check out. Do appreciate it. And again, if you're in the market for the HT2 over-the-ear wireless Bluetooth noise cancellation headphones, check these out. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.